Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is second part of Cambridge IGCSE paper 2-3 from May-June series, right? So this is as the second part. In the first part we did question 1 to 15. In this video we will do the remaining question. I hope you guys are getting benefit of these videos. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel and share it with your friends, and also give your feedback in the comment section so that if there is anything I can improve in the next video. So let's start. Question number 16. The volume of cylinder is 1970 centimeter cube. The height of the cylinder is this. So we have a cylinder like this. So the volume we are given is 1970 centimeter cube, and the height is 12.8 centimeter. Calculate the radius. So we are looking for the radius. Now you know that the formula, so volume of cylinder is 1970 centimeter cube, and the formula of the volume is pi r squared h, right? So we will just plug in the value pi r squared, and h is 12.8. So r square is going to be 1970 divided by 12.8 times pi, right? And then we are just going to plug in all these values in calculator. So times pi, so the answer is 48.98. that is the value of r squared, and then this comes out to be 6.998. so approximately this is 7 centimeters. Okay, now number 17. Rearrange the formula to make m the subject. So this is r over n. We are going to cross multiply. mr equals to 2, just expand the bracket, 2m minus 2k. We are making m the subject. So shift this 2k to other side. We have to take 2m to other side because we already have mr here. mr minus 2m equals to minus 2k. So m is common, that is r minus 2 minus 2k, and m is going to be minus 2k over r minus 2. So minus 2k over r minus 2, right? Now in number 18, y is inversely proportional to the cube root of this. Y inversely proportion means 1 over cube root of x plus 5, cube root. Remember to write cube root here. When x is 3, y is 12, then find the value of y when x is 22. So to remove constant of proportionality, we'll put equal sign and times k over square cube root of x plus 3. Now we will substitute these values here. When x is 3, cube root 3 plus 5, and y is 12, right? So then you cross multiply. So this is 12, k over 12 over 1, k over this is 8, 5 plus 3 8, cube root of 8 is 2. Now you cross multiply, that gives you k equals to 24. Now k is 24, so from this equation we have y equals to 24 over cube root of x plus 5. So this is the equation that we got. Now we are given x equals to 22. Find the value of y when x is 22. Now we will substitute 22 as x here, then cube root, this is 24 over 27 cube root. Cube root of 27 is 3, which is gives you 8 as a answer. Now number 19, solve the equation. We are given this quadratic equation, x squared plus 5x minus 7 equals to 0. So either you can factorize or you can just use directly the quadratic formula. So for here a is 1, B is 5 and C is negative 7. So quadratic formula is minus B plus minus B squared minus 4AC over 2A. Now plug in the values. Minus 5 plus minus B squared minus 4AC over 2 times 1. Right. So negative 5 plus minus 25 plus 28 divided by 2. So minus 5 plus minus 25 plus 28, 25 plus 28, it's 53 over 2. Then we will take the square root of the answer, which is 7 point square root of 53, 7.28. So negative 5 plus minus 7.28 divided by 2. So it gives us just the two values here. We have negative 5 plus 7.28 over 2, negative 5 minus 7.28 over 2. Now let's see, 7.28 minus 5 divided by 2, it gives us 1.14 answer. The other one, minus 5 minus 7.28 divided by 2, it is negative 6.14. So this is the final answer for this. Now number 20, here is the question from functions. Fx is 6x minus 7, gx is x cubed, negative cube. Find fx plus 2. So let me write it down. Fx is 6x minus 7. So fx plus 2 is going to be just replacing x by x plus 2 minus 7. 6x plus 12 minus 7. So 6x, 12 minus 7, it's 5. So 6x plus 5. Now f inverse x, if you have fx here, fx is 6x minus 7. So let's say it is equal to y. Now make x the subject. This will become y plus 7 over 6x over 6 over 6. So then x is equal to y plus 7 over 6. So f inverse x, in terms of x, this will become x plus 7 over 6. So x plus 7 over 6. Right. Now find x when gx is equal to f22. Gx we have x minus 1, and f22 we are going to replace the value of x as 22 in fx. So this is 132 minus 7. This is 1 this is 1 over x cubed. It is x cubed, negative x. So this is 1 over x cubed equals to 132 minus 7. 132 minus 7 is 125. Right. Now you cross multiply. So this is going to be, or you just take the reciprocal. X cube is equal to 1 over 125. So we can have here cube root of 125 is 5. So we can write it down like this. So x cubed equals to 5 minus 3, power minus 3. So then x is equal to negative, x is equal to, here is, we can't do that, 1 over 5 power 3, x equals to 1 over 5, right? So final answer is going to be 1 over 5 or 0.2. Okay. Now number 21, we have here the question from the fractions. Simplify 2x squared plus 5x minus 12. So we can factorize this so that we see what is there to cancel. And so 12 times 2 is 24. So that means when you multiply you need negative 24, and here in the middle we have 5, so you add two terms to get 5. So as you can see, 1 times 24, then we also have 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24, and 8 minus 3 is going to be 5, but 5 is positive, so 8, then I can take negative 3 here, so 8 times negative 3 will give you negative 24. So we can just split the middle term. It is 2x squared plus 8x minus 3x minus 12 over this is 2x squared minus 3 squared. So from here 2x is common, inside we will have x plus 4, then minus 3 is common, x plus 4. So a square minus b square, 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3. So now this x minus 4 is common. X plus 4. Once you take this x plus 4 out, then you will have here 2x minus 3 over 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3. This and this goes. So your answer is x plus 4 over 2x plus 3. Now question number 22 is from the sequences. The first 4 terms of the sequence are given. The nth term of the sequence is this. Calculate the value of a and b. We have a and b here. That's what we need to calculate. So Tn, we have 1 over 4 n cubed plus a n squared plus b n, right? So from here T1 is replacing n as 1. T1 is, this one is T1, T2, T3 and T4. We have 4 terms. So T1 is 2.75. So replacing the value here, 1 over 4, 1 cubed plus A plus B will be 2.75, because we just replace n by 1, so that will remain it the same. So we have A plus B equals to 2.75. This 1 over 4 can be written as 0.25. So A plus B is equal to 2.5. So this is one equation. Second one, we can have T2. T2 is 6. So now replace the value as 2. 1 over 4, replace the value of n as 2 plus A 2 squared plus B into 2, and this is equal to 6. So this is 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So that will 8 divided by 4 is 2, then plus 4a plus 2b equals to 6. So 4a plus 2b is equal to 6 minus 2, it is 4. Right now you can substitute the value of b from here. B is 2.5 minus a, right? So we can substitute this value here. 4a plus 2 into b is 2.5 minus a is equal to 4. So 4a plus this is 5 minus 2a equals to 4. 4a minus 2a is 2a. 4 minus 5, this is negative 1. 2a divided by 2 divided by 2. This is negative 0.5. Right? A is negative 0.5. Now you substitute this value here. So b is equal to minus a. A is negative 0.5. So 2.5 plus 0.5, it is 3.0, that is 3. Right? Now we have question number 23. This is last question of this paper. I hope you guys understood everything. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, and press the notification bell so that you get notified whenever there is a new video. So number 23, a train travels between 2 stations. The distance from the stations is 220 kilometers. So distance is 220 kilometers, and then the speed is 125 kilometers per hour. Now this is correct to nearest kilometer, and this is correct to nearest 5 kilometers. Calculate the upper bound of the time. So as you know that speed is equal to distance over time. So time is going to be distance over speed, right? And we are looking for the the upper bound of time. So upper bound of time is going to be, to get the upper value of this, so we need to have upper bound of distance and the lower bound of time, right? So upper bound of distance, now distance we have here in kilometer, is a nearest kilometer, so half of kilometer is 0.5. so upper bound is going to be 220 plus 0.5 and lower bound is 220 minus 0.5, but we need this one, right? So I will put here upper bound 220 plus 0.5. now here half of this 5 over 2 is 2.5. so for upper bound we add 125 plus 2.5 and 125 minus 2.5, right? So for the lower bound, and we need lower bound from here, so this is upper bound, this is lower bound, upper bound and lower bound. So lower bound of time is 125 minus 2.5. so this is 220.5 divided by 121.5. so when you divide this, it gives us 1 hour, this in hours. So 1 hour is there, write your answer in hours and minutes. So we have 1 hour plus 0.81 times 60, that will give you minutes. So it is 1 hour and this will be for, it comes out to, if you multiply this comes out to be 48.6. so we are taking minutes, so that is 48 minutes. So this is the final answer for this question. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your support, those who have subscribed. See you in the next video. Be blessed, guys.